Hello everyone, welcome to the last part of the chapter Geomorphic Processes and Landforms of the Earth. Today we will discuss plains. A lowland which has low gradient relief and situated very near to the sea level is known as plains. Actually, plains are widely extended, very low land situated near to the sea level, and they are generally formed by alluvial soil. There are some important features of plains like the average height of plains always remain below 300 meter. The top of the plains are almost flat or gently sloped. They are situated over wide extended area of the Earth's surface. Apart from interior of continents, they are also formed in coastal region. According to origin or formation, plains are broadly classified into three categories like structural plains, erosional plains, and depositional plains. Structural plains are also classified further into three categories like emerged plain, depressed plain, and natural plains. Erosional plains are of five types like peneplain, pedicplain, wave-cut plains, glacial plains, and karst plains. Depositional plains are of five types like riverine plains, coastal plains, lacustrine plains, bajada plains, and loess plains. Riverine plains can also be classified further into three categories like Piedmont plains, flood plains, and deltaic plains. Structural plains. The plains which are formed by upliftment or subsidence of earth crust due to endogenic forces is known as structural plains. It means vertical upliftment or subsidence of part of the earth crust due to release of endogenic forces form such type of plains. It can be classified into three categories like emerged plain, submerged or depressed plain, and natural plain. Emerged plains. The plains which are formed by upliftment of low-lying area or earth crust is known as emerged plain. Due to earthquake or sudden irregular movement, such type of plains are formed. Steppe grasslands of Russia and eastern coastal plains of India are the examples of emerged plains. Depressed plains. The plains which are formed by subsidence of extended area of Earth's surface is known as depressed plains. Highlands are lowering down to form such type of plains. In fact, these plains are lower than the general sea level. Turanian lowland, which is situated southeastern side of Caspian Sea, is the example of such depressed plain. Natural plain. The plains which are formed by horizontal or parallel alignment of rock strata is known as the natural plain. Actually, these plains were formed during the formation of Earth's surface. Highlands of Russia is one of the example of such natural plains. Erosional plains. Different exogenetic forces or natural erosional agents sometimes degrade any upland and form plain is known as erosional plain. Generally, different erosional agents like river, glacier, wind, or weathering denudate uplands and transform them into plains. These plains are of five types like peneplain, pedicplain, wave-cut plain, glacial plain, and karst plain. Peneplain. Over long ages, the higher land is leveled down into a sort of plain. In humid climatic condition, the running water or river erode any landform for a long time, and according to the numbering of this diagram, in its upper course, the river valleys are much narrow and deeper, but in middle course of the river, due to lateral erosion, the river valley is become wide enough, and in lower course, the river will deposit all eroded materials and form slightly rolling or undulating plains, which is known as peneplain. Residues of hard rock of peneplain stand above the general level of the land and is known as monadnocks. Susunia Hills, Ayodhya Hills of Purulia are the example of monadnocks. Peneplain. In desert and semi-desert region, the combined action of wind and water erode highlands, and eroded materials are deposited at the mountain foothills to form pediment. Comparatively finer particles are deposited in front of pediment and they are known as bajada. Pediment and bajada are collectively form peneplain. In semi-desert region, the hollows which are formed by deflational activity of wind sometimes filled up by rainwater and form lakes. These lakes are known as playa lake. General gradient of peneplains is 7 to 10 degree. Dome-shaped residual hills stand above peneplain is known as Inselberg. Wave-cut plains. The plains which are formed by ocean currents or sea waves along coastal region is known as wave-cut plain. Sea waves erode natural cliffs and transform them into flat platform. Western coast of India and Norway coast are the example of such type of plain. Glacial plain. In upper latitudinal region, snow-covered mountains are eroded by glacier for a long time and form glaciated plain. Siberian Shield region, which is the largest shield of the world, is the prime example of such glaciated plain. Karst plain. The underground water dissolves rocks in a limestone area. These results in the erosion of limestone area and a karst plain is formed. Atmospheric water vapor and carbon dioxide form carbonic acid, which react in calcium carbonate region or limestone region to form calcium bicarbonate, which is very much soluble to water and form different type of landforms by deposition of calcium bicarbonates like stalactite, stalagmite, limestone pillars, etc. Small hillocks formed in karst plain is known as karst tower. Depositional plains. The plains which are formed by deposition of sediments which are eroded from any highland by running water is known as depositional plains. These plains are formed as a result of deposition of material in lowlands such as depressions, lakes and sea floor. Most plains of the world are depositional in nature. Major depositional plains are of 5 types like Piedmont plain, flood plain, deltaic plain, lacustrine plain and loess plain. Piedmont plain. Boulders, pebbles, gravels and sands are deposited at the mountain foothills to form Piedmont plain. For example, Terai Duars of Himalaya are the important Piedmont plains of India. Flood plain. The plains which are formed by occurrence of flood in river basin is known as flood plain. In middle course, river deposits its sediments in the river channel and as a result it becomes shallow in depth. During rainy season, the excess rainwater will not be able to channelize through these shallow river course, and hence it will be overflooded to the adjacent areas. For some time, water will be logged in the adjacent area, and after depart of rainy season, the logged water will return into the river channel by seepage process. As a result, the river banks and the adjacent area of the river valley are experienced with new alluvium deposition, which form floodplain as well as natural levees. There are some important characteristics of floodplains. New alluvium are deposited in every year. Meandering of river course is observed. Marshy lowlands and oxbow lakes are formed. These are highly fertile. Brahmaputra plain of Assam, Nile plain are the example of important floodplains. Deltaic plain. The plains which are formed by the deposition of the rivers on their deltaic region are known as deltaic plains. When a river enters into the sea, it becomes very slow and deposits all the load on its path. Simultaneously, sea waves also deposit their sediments in the same area to make the region shallow. Such depositions occur very quickly as two different densities of water are mixing in a particular region and form triangular shaped island, which is known as delta. There are some important characteristics of deltaic plain. Average elevation of deltaic plain is very low. These are formed by fine alluvium. Different wetlands and creeks are formed. Main river is divided into several distributary channels. Ganga-Brahmaputra delta is the largest delta of the whole world. Lacustrine plain. Sometimes plains are formed by deposition of sediments in lakes and which are brought down by river or glacier. Depositional plains of sediments in a lake basin gives rise to lacustrine plain. Great Basin of USA and Kashmir Valley of India are some important examples of lacustrine plain. Loess plain. Fine yellowish sand particles with the diameter of 20 to 50 micrometer are known as loess. Such fine grains are carried away by wind transportation from desert region and deposited in somewhere else and form plain. Such type of plains are known as loess plain. For example, such plains are formed in Huanghe River Basin and the sand particles are carried out by wind from Gobi Desert. These are the important landforms of plains found over the earth's surfaces. Thank you.